गिरीशाय च श्रीविष्टाय च नमो नीलुष्टमाय सुमते च नमो ह्रस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च पर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्धने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमो आशवे चाधिराय च नमो शीघ्राय च शीघ्राय च नमो पूर्ण्याय च वस्त्रण्याय च नमो शोकस्याय च दीप्त्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमो पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पदल्पाय च नमो जगन्याय च वृद्ध्याय च नमो सोऽप्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमो पूर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमो श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कषाय च नमो श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमो आशुसेनाय च सुरताय च नमो शूराय च विन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरुणिने च नमो विल्मिने च कवचिने च नमो श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च अनन्याय च नमो कृष्णवे च नमस्ताय च नमो दूताय च घटाय च नमो निसंगिने च शुभते च नमः दीक्षणे च वेदायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुगन्धने च नमः सुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः आत्याय च नीत्याय च नमः सूर्याय च सदस्याय च नमो नाट्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः रूप्याय च वट्याय च नमो वर्षाय च वर्षाय च नमो मेद्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमो इंद्रियाय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो कास्तव्याय च वसुवाय च ओमाय च रुद्राय च नमः साम्राय च अरुणाय च नमः शम्याय च पशुपतये च नमो रुद्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दुरे वदाय च नमो अन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः सम्भवे च मयोभवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः नित्याय च भूयाय च नमः भार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रकरणाय च प्रकरणाय च नमः आताय च आताय च नमः सस्याय च प्रेम्याय च नमः सिद्धत्याय च प्रलाप्याय च नमः हिरण्याय च प्रबध्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च शयनाय च नमः प्रबद्धिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्ठ्याय च वृत्त्याय च नमः कल्प्याय च वेद्याय च नमः कात्याय च सर्ववेष्टाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेष्ट्याय च नमः आपुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुच्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः पूर्वर्याय च सूर्ण्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णसत्याय च नमो शीतयानो मृडजीवसे इमागं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयवीराय प्रवरामहे मतिं यथा नः समसद्भिर्गते चतुष्पदे विश्वं पुष्टं रामे अस्मिन्ननादुरम् मृडानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृति क्षयवीराय नः पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सुर ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विशेष तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु एते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्योर्मर्त्याय हन्तवे तानि यज्ञश्च मायया सर्वानमयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां गन्धिरसिन्धो माविशान्तकः तेन मामेवाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि विश्वस्य शेतिभेषजस्य यक्ष्वामहे सौको मनसाय रुद्रं नमो देवमसुरन्धुरस्य अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् अयं मे भगवत्करः अयं मे विश्ववेश्वरो यगुं शिवाभिमर्शनः शान्ति शान्ति
षड्जमे मयश्चमे प्रियञ्चमे रुकामश्चमे कामश्चमे सौमनसश्चमे
भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वस्यश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे धैर्यं च मे यन्ता च मे धर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सुश्च मे प्रसुश्च मे धीरं च मे लयश्च मे रुचं च मे नृतं च मे अक्षं च मे नामयश्च मे जीवायुश्च मे दीर्घायुश्च मे अनन्तं च मे भयं च मे सुखं च मे शरणं च मे सुषा च मे सुरिनं च मे
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ अत पुरुषो ह वै नारायणो कामयतः प्रजा सृजेयेति नारायणात् प्राणो जायते मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च खं वायुर्ज्योतिरापः पृथिवी विश्वस्य धारिणी नारायणात् ब्रह्मा जायते नारायणात् रुद्रो जायते नारायणात् इन्द्रो जायते नारायणात् प्रजापतयः प्रजायन्ते नारायणात् द्वादशादित्या रुद्रा वसवः सर्वाणि च छन्दागुंसि नारायणादेव समुत्पद्यन्ते नारायणे प्रवर्तन्ते नारायणे प्रलीयन्ते ॐ अत नित्यो नारायणः ब्रह्मा नारायणः शिवश्च नारायणः शक्रश्च नारायणः द्यावा पृथिव्यौ च नारायणः कालश्च नारायणः दिशश्च नारायणः ऊर्ध्वश्च नारायणः तानेकदा समभरत्तदेतदोमिति यमुक्त्वा मुच्यते योगी जन्म संसारबन्धनात्। ॐ नमो नारायणायेति मन्त्रोपासकः वैकुण्ठभुवनलोकं गमिष्यति। तदिदं परं पुण्डरीकं विज्ञानगणम् अस्मात् तदिदावन्मात्रम्। अन्यो देवकी पुत्रो ब्रह्मण्यो मधुसूदनो सर्वभूतस्तमेकं नारायणं कारणरूपमकारपरब्रह्मो एतदथर्वशिरो योधीते प्रातरदीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयति सायमदीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयति। माध्यन्दिनमादित्याभिमुखो दीयान पञ्चपातकोपपातकात् प्रमुच्यते। सर्ववेदपारायण पुण्यं लभते नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषत्। सहना भवतु सहनौ पुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ निधनपतये नमः निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊर्ध्वाय नमः ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः शर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वलाय नमः ज्वललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः। एतत् सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गकस्थापयति पाणि मन्त्रं पवित्रम् सद्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सद्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः। भवे भवेनातिभवे भवस्व मां भवोद्भवाय नमः। वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः करविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमथनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोन्मनाय नमः। अघोरेभ्यो अघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वशर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्। ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर्ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो। नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपतये अम्बिकापतये उमापतये पशुपतये
99th birthday of our dearest Swami. Please can I request the Masters of Ceremony from Glasgow to kindly come up to the middle of the room, please. Bhagwan has certainly started his celebrations with a challenge with the weather, and I'm so pleased to welcome all of you and thank Bhagwan for having us safely at the Perth Station Hotel.
Sai Ram, everyone. Offering my most humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Swami, respected elders, dear brothers and sisters, warm welcome to everyone.
It's an honor and privilege to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate our Swami's 99th birthday.
In the first place, we are very grateful to Swami to give us this opportunity. On behalf of all of us, I wish Swami a very, very happy birthday.
To start with, it was an excellent recitation of the Veda, which was giving a pleasant and
Reverberations across the hall. So it's what a way to start today's proceedings. So these all festivities normally in Kulwant Hall or in Sai Ramesh Hall in Vrindavan. So it always starts with some kind of Vedic chanting, and then it starts with next set of proceedings. Kartika is a month where we worship Lord Shiva because of the Kartika lamps or whatever, like Kartik Purnima could be. But for a Sai devotee, it cannot get any bigger than this because it starts with Akhanda Bhajan, Global Akhanda Bhajan, and then it goes on with, starts with Sai Swami's birthday. So first of all, it will be Radhotsavam on 18th of November, and Ladies' Day on 19th, Convocation on 22nd, and then the birthday. That's 23rd.
yes, this reminds me of the memories shared by my brother, my sister-in-law, my sister, who were fortunate to be Swami's students, and they have witnessed all of this in Swami's physical presence. It really means a lot for them and also for me whenever I had to listen to all of this, and it's a great feeling for all of us.
Yeah. Even I am fortunate to have witnessed this with Swami's presence. So being an alumni for 3 years, so it has been really a privilege. Not just 3 years. So when I was 10 years old, so my parents have shifted to Puttaparthi, and from there onwards, like we had able to witness all these proceedings day in and day out. And when I became a student, so it actually used to start with kind of our semester exams used to finish in October, and then we used to head to Puttaparthi to celebrate the Dasara. So it used to start with our Grama Seva, where the trucks used to be loaded with all Swami's food and also the clothes. And we used to go into the Gramas to distribute all this. And we used to be really happy saying that Swami has sent us all these things. And then our semester also used to start over there, and then we head into our proceedings for our Swami's birthday. And then it used to be like really crowded, like I won't say it's crowded, it's like full of people, like Vrindavan used to come, Anantapur campus used to come, and Puttaparthi, so Puttaparthi used to stay there, so the Kulwant Hall used to be filled up with all people, and Swami used to be really happy seeing everyone. And on that occasion, I remember like there was an occasion like on Swami's birthday, everything used to be decorated, like before convocation itself. So Swami where he used to sit now and sit previously, now where Swami's Mahasamadhi is there. So it used to be really decorated with all the flowers, latest flowers. So when you step into that, the fragrance itself is like it will take our breath away. So it's like, it's a wish that everyone wishes to be there at least once.
And unfortunately, I was not able to clear the interview at the last stage, otherwise I would have got the physical presence of the birthday celebrations. Having said that, I think we had a good start, and we now look forward to have all of the performances that different Sai centers have planned for this great occasion and make this as a grand success as we progress today.
Yeah, to start with, I'll just showcase like what we are going to do for the agenda for the rest of the day. So it's going to start with our Aberdeen Sai Center. So we are going to have our first program, and then it moves on to.
And then it will be followed by 2 skits by our Edinburgh's Bal Vikas children from Group 2, Group 3 and Group 1. Then we will have a performance by the Glasgow High Centre, where the Balvika students will be singing a great song which I have not disclosed that now, but it was sung many times before Swami and he liked it.
Yeah, and then after all our kids programs are over, then we head to our guided meditation and bhajans. And then our bhajans, after that it would be Aarti and Swami's birthday. And then it would be a closing ceremony. Post that we'll have our food serving. And so that's the kind of high level agenda for today.
And one small thing that we have this year, I think our sister there was eagerly thinking, where is my dance missing? We do have an Edinburgh dance performance after the Glasgow performance, and then the other things will follow.
Yeah. I now request, I just would like to see if Aberdeen Science Centre are ready for the program. Perfect. So I would like to request Edinburgh team to come over onto the stage. So the Balvika's children.
It's Aberdeen, sorry.
That's why, sorry. Yeah, my mistake. So yeah, it's Balvika's children from Aberdeen. They are going to perform their first skit based on like how a wavering mind can lead to unforeseen circumstances. The actors are
Ayan, King, Dikshan, the minister, Samiran, the farmer, and Harshini, the narrator. Hope the children here will get a good understanding of how a wavering mind can cause a lot of problems and follow what Swami used to say as part of his teachings, and how we need to be focused on what we think of to be in the future, and thereby follow the footsteps of Swami and move in proper direction.
sure.
May we now request the actors and Harshini to come over here and have this narration and this skit, please.
Aberdeen Science Centre, the stage is all yours.
lifestyle was not happy at all. He was traveling far and wide looking for happiness, but was not successful. He decided to go to a nearby farmland. Lo and behold, the king saw a farmer who was singing happily while caring for the farm animals.
I am the ruler of this nation, yet I'm unhappy and gloomy. Why? A lowly farmer is having so much fun and is very happy.
Om Shivaya, Om Shivaya, Shambho Shankara, Om Shivaya, Shambho Shankara, Om Shivaya, Shambho Shankara, Om Shivaya.
Farmer, you look so happy caring for these animals. Please can you tell me what gives you so much joy doing this job?
Your Majesty, I welcome you to my farm. I enjoy the work I do. I care for my elderly parents. We have a roof over our head and food to eat. I wake up early in the morning, feed the cows, milk the cows, and sell the milk in the local market. And with that money, I buy groceries for a daily consumption.
Thank you very much for your precious time. You have clearly shown me by your words and actions how to lead a simple and contented life. I will go back to the palace and try to put into practice whatever I have learned from you. Goodbye.
The king returned to the palace overwhelmed, and he wanted to make drastic changes to the way he was ruling the kingdom.
He approached his minister and narrated what he had witnessed in the farmland.
Royal Highness, you're doing a very good job in your kingdom. There is no need to make any drastic changes at all. Sir, all what you have to do is to find happiness from within yourself. Regarding the farmer, he is not yet in the 99 Club. I have a clever plan. Tomorrow, we will take a sack containing 99 gold coins, and we will place it outside his hut. Very soon, you will be surprised to see the end result and understand the meaning of the 99 Club.
Both the king and the minister placed the coins in a sack outside the farmer's hut. The next morning, the farmer picked up the sack and opened it.
Wow! There are brightly shining golden coins! I'm rewarded for my work on the farm! Hooray!
The farmer's desires gradually increased. He started to count the coins in the sack. His happy face turned sour. There were only 99 coins instead of 100.
Why did they only leave 99? It's not right. I will work even harder to achieve that extra gold coin.
He worked day and night. He neglected caring for his elderly parents. He was tired, frustrated, and angry. His original happy and charming personality changed.
Moral of the story is do not join the 99 Club. Instead, join the COD Club. COD stands for Ceilings on Desires. The richest and happy man is the one with least desires. The poorest and unhappy man is the one with most desires. Now we will sing a song on Ceilings on Desires. It would be greatly appreciated if the audience do not join in the chorus. Please just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you.
Save your food for those who need. Everything is divine.
what a performance.
It was really nice to hear, and its performance and the skit was really a message-oriented one. Having said that, Sai has something to share with regards to this skit that is being done.
Yeah, so a live performance, a live play in front of an audience is never an easy thing. It reminds me of an incident that happened in Sai Kurban Hall. So we, Brindan students, we have come over and said, Swami, we are going to play something. So Swami was eagerly, he was happy and said, yes, go ahead. And then there was a musical program and we are all reciting. So there were some bhajans, not bhajans, it's some songs that are being sung. So suddenly there was a power outage and the music system has gone off. And it was a new one, like we had a CD system, so we have got the CDs recorded and the songs recorded in the CD and it's been played on a CD system. And it so happened that there was a power outage and the music system has gone off and it was silent. So, and it happened in a split of second and we all joined in chorus, not to stop that. And it so happened that it took almost a minute for the live system to come up and then everyone were eagerly shocked, like saying that probably this music system will play from the beginning, or maybe like suppose if it has stopped at 5th minute and we have gone on singing for like 6 minutes. So what happens if it goes back to 5th minute and starts playing? So we were really worried, especially the music boys who are playing that, they were really anxious. We have started praying Swami and suddenly the music system came up and to astonishment, it started from where exactly we were singing and not just from the beginning of the play or not at the previous one. So it just shows that Swami is there with us every time and as we are showing our love and affection towards him, he also reciprocating that towards us.
It's a nice experience, Sai, which you have shared, and I hope everyone would have liked it and would have enjoyed what you have said. Moving on to the next performance that we have now is a Veena recital by Sister Samiksha, who will be playing a couple of songs which are Garuda Gamana Tava Charana Kamala Manasila Satumata Mityam. That is one song, and the other one is Pahi Rama Prabhu.
Very good Rama. So you should really start singing as well. Yeah, with this I'll just hand over the stage to our Samiksha.
Yeah, just to add to Sai, this is the first time I've ever sung a song before someone.